Ubaidullah bin Qatbiyah states, Haris bin Abi Rabia, Abdullah bin Safwan, and I entered the presence of Hazrat Salama, the believer's mother, and they both asked her about the contingent which would be made to sink into the earth. It was Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu times. Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, a refuge seeker will seek refuge in Allah's house, and a detachment will be dispatched to kill him. When that detachment will reach a plain ground that will be made to sink into the earth, I asked, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, what about him who was forced willy-nilly to accompany that detachment? He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, he will also be made to sink, but on the resurrection day, he will be resurrected as per his intention. Abu Ja'far said that is the plain ground of Madinah Munawwara. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7169.